I know, these nails haven't been on that long. It's only been like a week and a half, but sometimes I just get really tired of wearing nails. So gradually I'll just start cutting them shorter and shorter until I'm like, I can't deal, I want them gone. So I have a video already on my channel on how to remove acrylic nails, but it was a super silly video and I kind of made a joke out of it, but people really enjoyed it. I wasn't planning on doing that again today, but it's kind of the same process for pressed on nails. So first step, just use some clippers or scissors, whatever you have, to pick off any gems or rhinestones that you have. I had already taken off the big gems that were in the center of my middle finger and thumbs because they were getting caught in my hair. It was very annoying. Next, I'm just going to trim them down really short. Normally I would just go all the way down and have as little nail as possible, but I'm trying to grow out my natural nails so you can kind of see them in there. I'm going to trim these fake nails to my natural nails. The next step is to just buff them up a little bit with a file. I don't know if this actually helps, but I feel like it just speeds up the process a little bit, so I do it every time. I didn't realize it, but the green is actually white underneath. Now that you got them all filed, you can move on to the next step, but I'm going to wash my hands first just because I don't like touching things like this. Also, I forgot to mention you should probably wear a mask while you're doing this just because this plastic dust flies everywhere and you don't want to be breathing that in. At this point, you're going to want to grab your phone, your laptop, your computer, wherever you're sitting, your TV, turn on your favorite movie, turn on a YouTube video, whatever, anything to distract you because you're going to sit 5-minute increments soaking your nails in acetone. I have this little bowl that I just pour some in to soak my nails in, just all 5 fingers at a time. But there are also these little clip thingies that you can buy where you can soak a cotton ball and attach it to your finger. I want some of those. I just haven't found where to buy them yet. There's so many places, I just haven't decided. I haven't gone looking, really. So for now, this is what I have, a little bowl that I just soak my nails in. Make sure you have some paper towels with you, just in case there's a spill, because this stuff will damage surfaces. I'm not worried about this desk. It's old. I don't care about it. This is what I'm going to be using it for now, is doing my nails.
talk to you soon.
Clear your schedule.
After 5 minutes, when you take them out, they should start to be looking all nasty. And you're gonna have to do this a few times, but I just kind of ew. I just wipe off as much as I can. And then soak them. See this one, my pointer finger, some of it's already all the way off. You can also see in the water how nasty it looks. But right back in for another 5 minutes. Alright, it's been another 5 minutes. Look, it's kind of like falling to the ends. It looks like I've got tips on. I'm gonna use the paper towel. Just get rid of that. Ugh, it's so gross. Move this out of the way. I'm gonna use some cotton balls to just try to get rid of some of the last little bits. It's not 100%, there's still some stuck underneath my nails, but I need to do the other hand, otherwise I'm just going to keep passing back and forth the mess. I'm going to take some Q-tips and get some of the acetone on them to really get into my cuticles and wherever there's stuff still stuck underneath my nails. Now I'm going to go wash my hands and use this to try to get any extra out from underneath my nails. I couldn't get it 100% off on all of them, but that's what I get for wearing black nails. So the next step, buff and shine my nails, push back my cuticles. Who remembers in one of my old nail videos, I was holding my pinky like this to file it, and I was like, who else does this? Isn't that funny? So I like to use this little 4-way nail buffer to even out my nails, but occasionally if there's like extra ridges, if there was some lifting on the nail, or if it's acrylic and there's a little bit of extra acrylic, I like to use one of these files. It's still a fine file, but it's nice and foamy and it's easy to get in there and get any of the ridges out. And it's really nice when you're getting up against your cuticle because it's soft and it squishes, so I feel like it doesn't do as much damage to your cuticle area. Now I need to go wash my hands. Now I'm just gonna put on some lotion, whatever your preference is. I just like to put on some lotion because the acetone can kind of dry them out. But nails are all clean and ready to go for the next time you want to mess them up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!